Hey, what's up guys? Today's video I'm going to show you how you can download Battlenet in your PC. So first of all you have to do is simply open your web browser, type in download Battlenet. Then you will see download Battlenet for Windows and Mac. Go ahead and select this link on your first search result. You will see a page like this. You can either go for download battle.net or you can simply scroll below and select download for Windows. If you are using Mac, go ahead and select Mac from below section. And once you have downloaded this, you will see a exe version. Now as you can see that the Battlenet setup.exe has been already downloaded. Go ahead, click onto it, confirm your action, and simply install it in your PC. And now at this page, all you have to do is confirm your action, follow the on-screen prompt, and then select continue, and then you will be able to download battle.net in your PC. Thank you for watching.